morning, grade 3. I hope you are safe, enjoying your day, enjoying your staying at home, and safe from coronavirus. Today's lesson is how to classify shapes. In the geometry, we have a different type of shapes. We have a shapes with 3 sides, with 4 sides, with 6 sides, and each one has a different properties and different sizes and different number of side and number of angles. Okay, so in this lesson, we need to classify these shapes. This lesson in topic 15, lesson 2, page 817. For example, I have two groups of shapes. The first group, the second group, group 1 and group 2. So we have to answer this question about group 1 and group 2. How are the shapes in group 1 different from the shapes in group 2? We need to find one difference, okay, between group 1 and group 2, and a difference also in something else, okay, and we have to find how they are alike, okay, in the second question. But let's answer the first question, question number 7. How are the shapes in group 1 different from shapes in group 2? What's the difference? How can we see the difference now between them? Ah, let's focus up on the number of sides. The number of sides here, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 sides. Okay, let's count the number of sides in the second shape, okay, or the second group. Also, let's count together. We said here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here 5 sides, and here also, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 5. But what the difference? As you can see in these shapes here, these shapes in group number 1, they are equal in length. So the size or the length of each side is equal. So they are the same length. But here, as you can see, this one longer than this one, and this one very small, and this one is longer than the other one. So they are different in length. So the difference between group 1 and group 2, that the shapes in group 1 are the same length. The shapes in group 2 are different in length. So what you call a shape from 5 sides or form from 5 sides are, and they are equal in length. Yes, regular pentagon. And the shape with 5 sides and the sides are not equal in length, so it's irregular pentagon. So the difference, let's write the difference. Group 1, group 1, regular pentagons, and group 2, are irregular pentagon. Okay, let's make it proper. Okay, a minute. Okay, 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 irregular pentagons. So group number 1 are regular pentagon, and group number 2 irregular pentagons. Okay, how they are alike? Let's see how they are alike. Okay, we said that each group has 5 sides, so they are alike. That each group has 5 sides. Let's see, they are alike. So the two groups are 5 sides for each shape. So they are 5 sides. They are 5 sides. Okay, let's write it. Huh. 5 sides. What the large group do all the shape belong to? So the shapes belong to one group, of course, group of pentagons. Group of pentagons. So group of pentagons. Yes, thank you. Now we need to draw. Now we need to draw a shape that could. Wait a minute. That could go in group 2 but not in group 1. Go to group 2, it's supposed to be irregular pentagon. So let's draw anything. Okay, let's draw it together. See? Supposed to be 5 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Any 5 sides without any equality. Supposed to be not equal in length. So just 5 sides. Now draw a shape could go in group 1 but not in group 2. So it's supposed to be irregular. And they have that shape ready here with 5 equal sides. So now I have 5 equal sides and I have regular pentagon. So that's how to classify shapes. So to do the difference between them and recognize what the difference between the two shapes. Next, I have here now group 1 and group 2. Group 1 and group 2, I told you before the difference between the two shapes. Okay, group 1 are concave shapes. Group 2, convex shapes. So its type of shape. It's if you have a point just located inside the shape that you can connect the 2 points together, not consecutive point. If you can connect them from outside, so it's concave. So it's like we have a cave inside the shape. But here we can't connect any 2 opposite points from outside. It's supposed to be from inside only. So it's convex. So how does the shape in group 1 and group 2 different from these in group 2? So as I told you, group 1, concave shapes. Group 2, convex shapes. Okay, so we have convex and concave shape. Okay, next. Okay, question number 2. How are the two groups are alike? Okay, how many sides for each one? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also on this side, also 1, 2, 3, 4. So the two group consist of 4 sides. So they have 4 sides each. Okay, there are 4 sides for each shape. Okay, so 4 sides for each shape. Now what the group of polygon do all the shapes belong to? Of course 4 sides, so it belong to what? Yes, quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. So that one belongs to quadrilaterals. Now draw a shape that neither a square nor concave. So it's supposed to be convex. Okay? It's not a concave, so it's convex. Anything like that. So I have to draw anything like that. Maybe that one, maybe square. So he said not square, yeah, I'm sorry. So let's draw like any quadrilateral. See? Any four sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Any four sides. Now draw a shape that neither trapezoid nor has four or has right angle. Okay, anything. I can draw convex shape or concave shape. Let's draw concave. See? Now it's not, of course, trapezoid, and also it doesn't have any right angles. Okay? So in this lesson, you have learned how to classify shapes in a different properties. So now we took that lesson is how to understand and how to analyze the shape and know the difference between them. I hope you enjoyed that session and see you next time. I hope you are safe, enjoying your days, and have a nice day. Goodbye.